Welcome. I am Kath Smyth. I'm the horticulturist with the Calgary Horticultural Society, and we are going to talk about seniors gardening. Probably one of the seniors' biggest complaints is knee pain. And I am probably a walking example. I have a new knee. Mind you, it's not new anymore. It's 5 years old. Anyway, one of the roles of my life has always been now, and before that was recommending equipment. And my first recommendation are knee pads or kneelers. I really like a kneeler if I'm still walking around the garden. But the best thing I ever invested in was these kneeling benches. And this particular one has a tool pocket in it. So you can put your gloves, if you're doing weeding, you can hang your pruners in there, and you can do all sorts of things with it. So also, you want to protect your back when you're working with all of this. So never lift heavy objects up above your waist. And that includes fertilizer and potting soil. If you don't even want to do that, I have an old red wagon that was the kids', and that's what I use. Garden wagons are a little expensive, so that was one of the things that I started to do was acquire the kids' toys. Anyway, don't carry heavy objects because that'll not help your back. And when you're working and standing up and sitting down, hauling this bench around is great because if you have to get down on your knees and then get back up, you still need the kneeling bench. And it has to be done most of the time at ground level. So you do want something that you can bend your knees and sit down comfortably. I would really highly recommend getting myself this and a kneeling pad. However, I haven't been able to kneel on one knee for so long that I've just got the bench now. Thank you for watching. This has been Kath's Senior Gardening Tips. I hope that you enjoyed them, and I really appreciate you all watching and listening. Thank you.